This is the final look. I had to pack it half up, half down. I love the color so much. It looks so mature. So guys, I came back so tired, famished, and all of the above. Plus, I have not eaten as well since morning. I'm still feeling my hair. What do you guys think? Let me give you guys a 360 turn. So we are just going to go out to look for what we eat and all of this stuff. How did you break your sweet? Lick it now. So I'm going to go out now to look for what. I'm just going to buy bole. So we eat and call it a day. So fine.
Let's keep it fun and simple. Easy come, easy go. Don't overthink things, baby, 'cause I know that you do. You've been a stranger lately, and I know that's not you. Easy come, easy go. No need to fight about it. Easy come, easy go. No stress, I'm good without it. Easy come, easy go. Let's keep it fun and simple. Easy come, easy go.
So today is Christmas Day and I didn't go to anywhere, so I just want to work on my Bible that I love. I love reading the King James Version because I understand it a whole lot more than the normal King James Version. I understand the new King James Version more than the normal King James Version. And this Bible right now was gifted to me on the year 2014. We're in 2022, so this is like 22, 4 plus 6, that's 2020. This is like 8 years now. Yes, this should be 8 years. This Bible, look at it. See how scattered it is. The inside is quite okay. Let me show you guys. The inside is still very nice, but I just removed the back now, so I'm trying to rebind it. You know that kind of binding we do that kind of binding we do in secondary school, that we bind the back of our books, but I want to do this one on like top notch, other than that one we used to do in school. So I want to rebind this Bible, change the back so that I can continue to use it and it's going to be presentable. This Bible has saw plenty things, and I just love it, and I don't want to get a new King James Version again because I already have one. So I want to rebind it. So I'm going to be trying to use this fabric to give it that aesthetic look, beautiful look, exceptional, you cannot see it anywhere kind of vibe. So, and I have this fabric at home. So I went to the supermarket and I got this top bond. Going to be using that, and hopefully I think that's going to work. So I'm going to take you guys through the process of me doing it and all of this stuff, to come along with me. Stay tuned. So far, I've actually separated the back from the Bible. I cut it myself, so I'm just going to, if you watch here, you're going to be seeing sand here, so So I'm just going to brush those sands off. I'm going to be working on the back of the Bible, which is these parts. Hopefully, fingers crossed, this works. I don't have to start sewing it because I don't think I'm going to sew it. So this is it. This is it. So far, this is how far we've gone. This is the last part that I'm just going to glue like this, and then I'm going to add my Bible and you see the final look. So this is how far I've gone, and stay tuned. So far, look at the final look of my Bible cover. Look at it. These are the sides. See what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. Closer look. So let me open. This is the back part. Let's do it this way. The front. Look at it. The back. And this is what it looks like. So this is it. I did a very good job in binding this. And I like how it looks. So this is my Bible. How far?
How far?
How was your sleep? Say fine. Fine.